All right, so in this question we're being asked to factor x times x minus 5 minus 4 times 5 minus x. Now, when you look at this, you should notice that something here doesn't quite look pretty. Okay. Now I think most people, and I know this is true because most of the time when I ask this, people jump on this real quick and they say, yeah, this doesn't look pretty. Okay. There's nothing wrong with writing it like this, but it doesn't look pretty because normally we like to have the x out front, and normally we don't like to have a negative in front of the x if it's inside a binomial here. So the easiest thing to do is to factor out, okay, so it's going to be equal to this. We're going to factor out a negative. We're just going to focus our attention right now on just this binomial. I'm going to factor a negative out of that. Okay, so that's going to be negative 5 plus x right in there. So notice I haven't done much with it. I'm focusing just on this right here. And that's just what's inside the square brackets here. Now, I can change the order of those two terms because with addition, order doesn't matter. So I can make this x minus 5. And then the negatives here, okay, this is like negative 4, negative 1 there, so it's going to be like positive 4. And then I've got my original term here, x minus 5. Now, look what's going on here. Once I've made it look pretty, well, it looks even prettier because now I've got this common factor of a binomial here. There's an x minus 5 common to both of those terms. Now, this is really like having a big X here. I don't know what x is. So as a result, I don't know what x minus y is. This is like having like a big old a here, big old a here. So I can cancel or factor out that a, okay, and I'll be left with an x and a plus 4 here, and then I'll just put that a back in what it was. I use that a to cover up that x minus 5. And so that's what this term should look like when it's factored. This expression should look like when it's factored. X minus 5. Oh, sorry. I just looked at it in the screen there and realized I'm missing my 4. X minus 5 times x plus 4. That's what we're looking for there.